How to delete Google Chat messages from both sides. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Google Chat messages from both sides. Now, before we begin with this, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Gmail. Simply open up the app and on the middle you should find your chat section. After you're on the chat section, simply open up the chat you want to delete the messages from. After you're here, you can just talk to people, talk to whomever you want, and after you're on that very chat, tap on the top corner, the top name of that person. Now you will find a three dots icon if you're on the Android, so you can tap on it on the top right corner. If you're not, you can simply tap on their name. Now what you'll need to do is to delete Google Chat messages, you will simply need to turn off your history. So turn this history off, and after you do that, your chats will get deleted from both sides after 24 hours. And it's that simple guys. That is how you can delete Google Chat messages from both sides. Thanks for watching. That is basically it. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.